Hey there. I decided to do black. Y'all know what time it is. It's the month of June. June is mostly known for Father's Day and Juneteenth. Every June, I always rock out on the RBG colors, and I'm gonna do black, and I'm doing my natural nails. I'm gonna do matte, so y'all gonna see the transformation, because right now the top coat is on and they are shiny, but I'm gonna show y'all how they look with matte. So I put the matte on the nails after I do the top coat and let it matte out the top shiny coat. I remember a long time ago I used to apply the matte before, as the top coat, but what happens is it strips the color of the gel polish that you're using, and you don't want to do that. So I always top coat it with the clear top coat and then dry it and then apply the matte coat on top of that clear coat. That way it's matting out the clear and not the black itself, because it's going to strip away. So anyway, but I tell y'all, the thing that I find strange about it sometimes is I would think that I had applied full coverage of the matte top coat over all my nails, but when you put it in the light to cure, you could see like the areas where it's missing the coat that you just applied. Okay, listen. Oh, look at this. I like it. Looks like leather, don't it? Like, oh, look at that suede leather. Okay. So what I did was just it cured, and then I wiped it off. I want to show y'all something though. Look, you have to be careful. Like, okay, so I'm doing my own nails, so sometimes it's kind of hard to like make sure that it doesn't like spill over. So I'm gonna have to file this, because if I leave it like that, that top coat is gonna peel, and then if it peels, just like a client, like we prone to start peeling on it, and then it's gonna lift the whole coat off or whatever. But anyway, so y'all see that? That is nice, isn't it? Both my hands were matted. I just juxtaposed to show a contrast.